Dictation start. They pleaded not guilty, and were brought to trial. Full stop. The trial court, relying on the evidence of PW5, PW7, and PW10, injured three eyewitnesses, held that the prosecution story, in so far as the three appellants was proved beyond doubt, but the other accused, namely Amrik Singh, Joginder Singh, Kulwant Singh, and Balwant Singh, were entitled to benefit of doubt, and they were accordingly acquitted. Full stop. The plea of the right of private defense, and that if at all the case fell within the ambit of section 304 part 2 read with section 34 of the IPC was repealed. Full stop. An appeal was thereafter taken to the High Court by the three appellants. Full stop. The appeal was dismissed, leading leading to the present proceedings. Full stop. Para. The learned counsel for the appellants has argued that, in the light of the fact that Bakshish Singh, appellant, had received an injury in the same incident which had not been explained by the prosecution, the prosecution story itself was in doubt, and the accused appellants were entitled to acquittal on that basis. Full stop. It has also been pleaded that the trial court had found that four of the accused were not involved in the incident, and it was thus apparent that the present case was one of false implication on account of animosity between the parties over the construction of the drain. Full stop. Para. It has finally been pleaded that there was absolutely no evidence to show that the appellants had an intention to commit murder, as the doctor had opined that the two injuries on Butta Singh had been caused by the reverse side of the Gandasi, whereas the other injuries on the person of the PWs had been caused with dangs, and as such the case fell under section 304 part 2 and not under section 302 of the IPC. Full stop. The learned state counsel and the complainants counsel have, however, controverted the stand and pointed out that the trial court and the High Court had given categorical findings that the appellants were involved in the case of murder and had attempted to take the law into their hands and attempted to construct the drain, the injunction order made by the civil court. Full stop. Para. We have heard the learned counsel for the parties and gone through the record very carefully. Full stop. We are of the opinion that no fault can be found with the conviction of the appellants in the light of the fact that the prosecution story rests on the evidence of three injured witnesses. Full stop. The incident is virtually admitted by both sides, although in different circumstances, as the appellant's claim was that Bakshish Singh had suffered injuries at the hands of the Gurdial Singh and others, and that the prosecution had suppressed this part of the story. Full stop. This plea has been rejected by the trial court as well as the High Court, holding that the injuries suffered by Bakshish Singh could not be related to the present incident. Full stop. We are therefore of the opinion that the conviction of the appellants is fully justified on the fact of the case. Full stop.